Hi, my name is Carly Harity. For my technique demonstrated, I chose to do breathing techniques to relax. I researched different types of breathing techniques to relax and help patients and individuals who have faced traumatic events. During my research, I found that deep breathing doesn't just help any individual with daily stress, but it also helps individuals or even veterans with stress from traumatic events. Using deep breathing techniques can help relieve traumatic symptoms such as stress, anxiety, panic attacks, and even help individuals get rid of the feeling of feeling trapped inside their body. Deep breathing helps you regain the balance in the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. By having your clients learn about how to use deep breathing, it gives individuals a tool that they can use at any time to assist them to relieve stress and to calm down. Deep breathing can be done in a very short time, but it also can be done over a long period of time, depending on what your client or individual might need. By teaching your clients and other individuals about breathing techniques, especially deep breathing techniques, it allows them to gain resources to get rid of stress. Deep breathing techniques will help anyone who struggles with stress, especially individuals who struggle with stress from traumatic experiences. A lot of military or veterans use these techniques to help cope with their combat trauma. Anyone can benefit from these deep breathing techniques because it helps release stress and calm people down. First, for my technique demonstrated, you're going to find a spot where you can sit or lie down. You will want to sit comfortably or lie down in a comfortable position because you could be laying there, depending on how long you need, for a short or long period of time. You want your body to be fully relaxed. Once you are seated, you want to place one hand on your stomach and one hand on your chest. By doing this allows your hands to give you feedback on what your rib cage and what your stomach are doing to help your lungs, as well as your lungs inside of you. The first step of my breathing technique is that you want to breathe in slowly through your nose. So make sure that you have your hand on your chest and your stomach. So you're going to breathe in. As you're breathing in, you're going to want to feel your stomach expanding as you inhale. When you breathe in, make sure that you are not breathing from your chest and that you're using your lower lungs to breathe in fully. The hand on your chest should not be moving during this technique. You want to focus on filling up your lower lungs with air. Once your lungs are full, you want to slowly exhale through your mouth. You want to use your hands to feel your stomach fall as you exhale. Once all of the air is out of your lungs, take another slow deep breath in through your nose. You want to practice breathing 4 to 6 breaths per minute on average, and you want to make sure that one full inhale and exhale is about 10 to 15 seconds long. So you do not want to rush through this, and you want to make sure that you are using the time and your lungs and making them as full as you can. So on average, you could repeat this process up to 10 times or until you feel relaxed and that the stress is leaving your body. You want to make sure that you have your mind clear. You can keep your eyes open or closed depending on what feels right. So I'm going to start going through the steps now. I wanted to go through the first list of steps so you understood what was happening and I could speak through it, and now I'm going to do it. I will still speak through it slightly, but I will make sure that I am doing my breathing. Alright, step 1. Make sure you have a seat where you can be seated down. Step 2, be comfortable. Step 3, put your hand on your stomach and your chest. Now you want to breathe in slowly by using your stomach and lower lungs. We're going to breathe in for about 8 seconds. Once you're fully breathed, have your full breath in. You can feel your stomach lifting your hand up. Now you want to breathe out with your mouth for about 8 more seconds. So now my stomach is flat. I'm going to repeat that step. Breathe in. Breathe out. This breathing technique can be done at any place, at any time. All you have to do is be able to sit down, and once you start getting good at it and understanding how you want to use your lower lungs, you do not have to keep your hands here. But if you like to keep your hands here, that is okay. But if you're in a public space and you just want to practice this technique to relieve some stress, you can just take some deep breaths in, count to 7, and then breathe out through your mouth. Thank you.